HPE is an idea-generating platform in the field of health. In a nutshell, it's 80 young people around 7 topics, but with a lot of ideas on how to address current challenges in the field of health, but also how to prepare tomorrow's healthcare systems in Europe. I was a member of the Committee on Access to Therapeutic Innovation, and our main recommendation is to set up some kind of a European observatory in the field of access. Because the issue is, at the moment, a concern that is shared by many stakeholders is that access to therapeutic innovation is not equal across Europe, and also some people are concerned about the long-term sustainability of access to innovation. So what we wanted to do was to look at this problem and really set up a platform so that we can better work together at a European level, both European institutions and member states, and to really speak a common language to understand what are the access issues and what are the best policies to address them. I think that we are all driven by not only putting some nice recommendation of paper that will sit on a shelf, but really driving change. And that's a fantastic opportunity for us.